to Zim from Celebrate Life's Adventures. I'm joined today by Stephanie Mayo, an Ontario, Canada-based travel writer. We're talking today about road tripping in Southern Ontario. Hi, Stephanie. Thank you so much for speaking with me. Why don't we start with you telling me a little bit about yourself?
Well, thank you for having me, first of all. I really appreciate it. For those who don't know me, I'm a full-time travel writer and content creator, highlighting travel across Canada with a hyper focus on my own backyard here in Ontario. I share tons of local Ontario travel tips and trip ideas, out small towns to explore, cute cafes, local arts, support local. So sharing the mom and pop restaurants wherever I travel, shopping locally, supporting local artisans. For me, I love slow travel. Gone are my days of like, how many countries can I see in one day? I love exploring Canada now, so it's sort of like my main focus. And slow travel to me means like road trips that some people might do in like a day, but I stretch them out over a few days, really taking the time to stop at all those unique places that you find along the back
So you
road.
mentioned road trips. Do you have a favorite road trip that you've been on in Canada?
For me, my favorite road trip in Canada has got to be the one between Sault Ste. Marie and Thunder Bay right here in Ontario. To me, it's like it's the epitome of travel in Ontario. It's full of incredible parks to visit.
That sounds like a wonderful trip. I haven't spent much time in Ontario myself, so I can't wait to get it. So for people who haven't driven in Ontario like myself, can you tell me about road tripping there that might be different?
Um, a lot of Canada, people don't realize that it is huge. Maybe focus on a specific region or area, especially if you're short on time. And especially if you have any sort of travel in around the greater Toronto area, you're going to be spending a lot of time in the car. Traffic is a huge issue in the Toronto area.
So I know that you have some products, the memorable route products. Do you mind telling us a little bit about them and who they're ideal for?
Sure. I started the memorable route product because I saw a lot of people in my community. I have a Facebook group community, and people are always looking for like sort of made for them trip ideas. Route products, they're surprise road trip itineraries here in Ontario, and they give you your time back. So they are completely planned out for you, so you have no worry about having to spend all the time planning these road trips out. Each one features over 30 stops. They include a wide range of places to visit, so they're great for people who like to hike. There's plenty of cozy cafes if you like slow travel more. So I try to give a lot of options for people to choose from, whether you're like a nature lover or a history buff. Um, the best thing is that each trip can be done either as a day trip or as a weekend getaway, because I always make sure to suggest a few places to visit along each route. So if you want to sort of stretch out all those stops, maybe get some more time to visit more of them, making them a weekend getaway is a great idea. But the main focus of them is to help folks get their time back. People are busy nowadays, so all the planning is done for you. All you have to do is focus on making some memorable moments along the way. You're coming from anywhere in the Toronto area, so the greater Toronto area, and even north of that, anywhere in South Central Ontario is a great starting point.
So some people who would be really interested in that. But what can they or anyone who purchases them expect when they actually receive the product?
Sure, great question. Once you purchase the product, they're digital guides, so you can easily download them to your phone, and you'll be able to check the before you go page, which will give you all the sort of essential information like what to pack. I always say pack a cooler because you might find some good food along the way, as well as start times that are good to leave. Each stop, with all the 30 plus stops, each one has a link to the Google map, so that it's easy to navigate. You just click on that link and it takes you to Google Maps to where to go, and you can easily find it. With so many stops, it's easy to sort of get overwhelmed with so many to choose from. But that's why I like to sort of say it's a choose your own adventure that in the guide. But with over 30 stops, there's plenty to do year round.
Where can they actually purchase these?
So great question. They can purchase them at my, find the link on my website at ladiestravelblog.com. That's LADYS travelblog.com. And at the top, you'll find memorable routes, Ontario road trips, and you click on that and it gives you all of the information that you'll need on each of the products. There's two different ones right now. My current one is the Muskoka Loop Adventure, and the latest one is the Lake Simcoe Loop. You'll find links to how to purchase them through that. And because of this lovely interview, I'm offering a promo code. So with Celebrate 10, you get 16% off your purchase.
Great. Thank you so much for offering that. And if people have any questions about your memorable route digital guides, or if they want some more trip inspiration, where are the best places that people can find you?
More about the memorable route, you can find it at the memorable route on Instagram. As well as if you want to follow me or my travels, I always am talking about these memorable routes or other places in Ontario. You can follow me on my travel blog at ladiestravelblog.com or on Instagram at the World as I See It travel blog. I also have two Facebook groups, Ontario Hidden Gems and Hidden Gems in Canada.
Great. Thank you so much for speaking with me again and for telling us more about your memorable route products. I can't wait to get out to Ontario because you're just inspiring me so much to check out the different road trip routes.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. And I can't wait for you to come out here, and I'd love to be your tour guide.